This is a simple method where the bearing capacity can be determined. This method of dropping a weight or the penetration test, sometimes this method also they will ask in exam. So a substance of known weight, you can see at the, this is the ground level, a ditch or a small pit which is excavated, a square box, you can see, and here W is the known weight. The weight is you should know what is the weight of that W before the experiment. So weight is dropped from a known height, and also the height, that is H, is given, which is also a known height should be noted. The depth of impression is made by the weight on the soil is noted. So you should know first, the whatever the you are going to drop a weight, you should know that what is the weight of that block, or what is the weight of that material you have used, and the height, at what height you are going to drop, that you should know first. And after dropping that weight, whatever the impression which is found at the bottom of the surface of the soil, that impression can be noted. So we can easily determine by the following relation, we can determine the bearing capacity. See, R here, R is the resistance of soil, H is the height, D is the depth of the impression, small w is weight of the substance. Then the total energy R into D equals to W into H, where if you take an outside R, it becomes W into H divided by D. For A is a cross sectional area of the substance, R by A is nothing but a resistance of soil per unit area. Therefore, SBC of soil, that is safe bearing capacity of soil, equals to R into A into F, where F is the factor of safety. The another method is generally analytical method. The analytical method involving the use of the soil parameters like angle of internal frictions of cohesion are now available to determine the ultimate bearing capacity of soil. But maximum cases they will they go for the plate loading test method. In the ordinary cases they are going for the method of dropping method.